Imagine hiccuping non-stop for 68 years. Charles Osborne holds the Guinness World Record for the longest hiccuping spree, a relentless ordeal that began in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990. Can you picture that? Every few seconds, an involuntary hiccup for nearly 7 decades, turning a common nuisance into a lifelong struggle. Doctors tried everything from sedatives to surgeries, but nothing worked. Charles somehow adapted, even leading a relatively normal life, raising a family, and working on his farm. This phenomenal case makes us rethink the persistence of the human body and spirit, showing how even the most mundane bodily function can become an unfathomable challenge.